Welcome to the first episode of the Testing Your Strategy series, a series where I will analyze and backtest indicators and strategies sent by you in samples with more than 1000 trades, so you can discover its real performance. In this first episode, I will be showing you and testing a 1-minute scalping trading strategy that uses two indicators, which was suggested by a subscriber. From now on, if you want to get the same opportunity, you just have to be a channel subscriber and comment your most unique strategy down below using the tag MyStrategy. Because every week I will choose the most interesting one to backtest in a video, and the subscriber who suggested it will get free access to one of my strategies coded in PineScript that is on this list. The more comments you make, the greater your chances of winning. So, without further ado, let's jump to today's strategy. This 1-minute scalping trading strategy uses two Tradingview indicators. By the way, if you want to get $30 to using Tradingview, use the link that is in the description. The Coppock Curve by Everget, where you need to change the smoothing length to 20, and the SuperTrend, where you need to change the ATR length to 16 and the factor to 4.5. The strategy is as simple as clicking on the subscribe button. Every time the Coppock curve line crosses above the zero level of the histogram, so when it turns green, and the super trend line is green and below the price, it means it's time to enter in a long position. And every time the Coppock curve line crosses below the zero level of the histogram, so when it turns red and the super trend line is red and above the price, it means it's time to enter in a short position. For the strategy's risk management, you can place the stop losses on the last swing lows for long positions or on the last swing highs for short positions. But I will use the ATR indicator to place them, because for me it's the best and easiest method to do it, and I use it almost in every strategy I share in my free Discord channel. So, for this strategy, I will use the formula 1 times the ATR pip value to place every stop loss, and the formula 2 times the ATR pip value to place the take profits, so we can get a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. In order to discover the real performance of this trading strategy, I'm going to code it using PineScript. I will code it and I will be right back.
12 seconds later.
Okay, my bot is ready to be used and it's working perfectly. Here we can see that the Coppock curve crossed above the zero level of the histogram and turned green, and that the super trend is green and under the price. So we will enter at the close of the signal candle, which is this one. The stop loss value is equal to the ATR pip value, so it is equal to 6 pips, and the take profit is at the 1:2 risk to reward zone, so at this level. So, first of all, we can see that my bot entered the position and placed the stop loss and take profit values perfectly. Now, let's fast forward to see what would happen. As you can see, the take profit was easily hit here and the bot closed the trade. Now, let's look into a short trade example. Here we can see that the Coppock curve crossed under the zero level of the histogram and turned red, and that the super trend is red and above the price. So, we would enter at the close of the signal candle, which is this one. The stop loss value is equal to the ATR pip value, so it is equal to 16 pips, and the take profit is at the 1:2 risk to reward zone, so at this level. So, we can see that my bot entered the position and placed the stop loss and take profit values again perfectly. Now, let's fast forward to see what would happen. As you can see, the take profit was easily hit here and the bot closed the trade. As you could see in these two examples, my bot respects all the rules of this strategy and enters and exits from every trade with high precision. And the best part is that it displays every trade on the chart with the stop loss and take profit levels. And here on the strategy tester, it shows you not only every piece of statistical information, as well all the details about each trade according to the requested risk per trade, commissions and spreads you inserted on its properties. If you want to know more about this bot, I will leave a link to it in the description. So, without further ado, let's jump to the backtest. I will apply this strategy on the 1-minute time frame of some high market cap stocks using the data sample corresponding to the last month and using a 2% risk per trade without compounding any of the profits, which were some of the requests from the subscriber who suggested this strategy. And I will insert every important statistical information in this Excel to show you the average results. I will speed up the backtest, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings to check all the results. I'll see you in a minute. After analyzing 1038 trades in 15 different stocks with my backtesting bot, here we have all the results. Based on these conditions, the overall win rate of this strategy was about 37.10%, which is the minimum acceptable for a strategy that uses a fixed take profit with a 1:2 risk-to-reward ratio, and it produced a net profit of 267.93%. The average drawdown was also quite acceptable, with a value of 16.90. Therefore, with this backtest, we were able to verify that this strategy is profitable and works on a lot of different stocks. For now, this strategy is the top one of the ranking of your strategies, but let's see if it can maintain that spot in the following weeks. Of course, you can try to optimize the indicator settings or use them on other timeframes, markets, or with different risk management rules, and I am sure your results will be overwhelming. If you want to speed up that process, you can have full access to my backtesting bots. Instead of taking months to carry out your backtests, you can start doing them in a matter of seconds and with the most realistic and proven results possible, as I have shown you today. Access the links in the description of this video to find out more about my bots. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like it to support me in bringing more content to you. Be well, thank you, bye bye.